wonderful day. I hope everybody's alright. Right now, guess where I'm going? To a food shop, of course, because I'm so lazy to cook some. I cook yesterday. Still. So I'm gonna go buy a box food from Arville. Let's hope he's open. If not, I'm still not cook. Yeah, wait till him open. Look like him open still. Yeah, he's open. So I'll just buy one food. That's Sonia. Jeez, so I'm saying I'm just come talk to him. You know. Oh, by the way, you guys, what I would like for you to do, schedule vlogs. Which day and which day would you like for me to post? Three times a week, 2 times a week? If so, which day you think is best? So just let me know in the comment box, because I don't like sometimes some of you guys saying you guys not getting any notifications. So like if I have a scheduled date for y'all you say, okay, Peter, you should be posting today. You know what I'm saying? So just comment which day you think, or which day you would like for me to post. Maybe 3 times for the week or 2 times for the week. Or yeah, so just comment which day you think is best you would like for me to post, and I'll take them into consideration. And some of you guys do not turn on your notification bell. You guys should keep the notifications on, because not all the time YouTube notify you guys when I post a video. So that's why I'm always telling you guys to hit the notification bell. And if you're new to this channel, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And yes, it's open. Let's buy some food. Yeah. Okay. Waiting. Okay, it's okay. Can I have what? Can I have one 300? That's the big one, eh? Eh? No, the big box one.
The 300?
Yeah.
The 300 are the smallest box on sale.
So the big box is how much? 400?
Yeah,
give me one 400, a lot of gravy, and a lot of mackerel.
You want done division? Sure. 300?
Yes, you guys, now I'm going home. I just bought my food. My lunch, actually. Yeah, so I'm just go. So, remember, you guys, be free to comment below. I try my best to reply to all my comments. Because remember that, you know? So, whew, yeah. So, I'm reach home. I'm not showing them my food because I think I'm tired for some food. Although some I want to love when I show them my food still. So, I don't know. Yes, you guys, this is what I got. I don't mind just say, come over here for dog food.
Oh, that's how I asked you if you got your WhatsApp.
WhatsApp? WhatsApp? Oh, no, I'm looking at WhatsApp now. Looking at that. Looking at that, I'm going to wait till I come over here. We're looking at training. Training? Stuff, shoes or whatever. I think I can manage all of that dog food. So you say, yeah, we'll start giving some of the puppy them already. You guys know I'm going to the shop. I'm feeling Stalk. I had food already, as you guys saw. And that told me I just want a snack, maybe a rough tops, donut, something. Something sweet. You know what I'm looking there? So, guys, I just come back from a shop. I'm just buy some, what I call it, midnight snack or late night snack when I really want food. I just want something for go and munch. I'm coming to say you stay or sometime, don't it? I'm gonna show you what I bought. Got some 3 little something. At Jamaica I say 3, 4, yeah. So I'm gonna show you my cheese stick. I like this. I want to buy my sandwich cookie, chocolate of course, and then I bought my oatmeal cookie. I love oatmeal cookie, you know. Jesus. I don't know if I watch it down with one bag juice. My Big Joe. Yeah, my Big Joe bag juice. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to have right now. Right now. And also, this is where I'm going to end today's vlog as well. Yes, you guys. Tonight's post notification shout out goes to Share, Fabulous, and Jada West. Yes, I saw you guys comment, and so I wish I could have called everybody name who I saw comment, but I'll do it in our next video. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next upload. By the way, if you like a post notification shout out and you don't know what to do, obviously you have to be subscribed to my channel, give my video a thumbs up, and just comment when done. Simple steps to get to be qualified, not really qualified, a chance for me to see it, and you'll be randomly chosen, and I just give you a shout out, show you how I really appreciate you guys. You understand me? So thank you so much for watching again, you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Oh, remember now, comment which day, or comment the days you would like for me to post. Any 2 days of the week or 3 times for the week. Just comment so I can have a set schedule for y'all, okay? So good night, you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye bye.